Here is another question. It has 3 statements and 4 conclusions. First I will draw the Venn diagram. I will start with statement all. All districts are states. District circle should be inside and state circle should be outside. Next statement is some states are countries. Some states are countries. And next, some capitals are countries. Some capitals are countries. I'm done with Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is some capitals are districts. It is a definite conclusion. If I prove no capital is a district, then this conclusion will automatically be wrong. And in this Venn diagram, these are all capitals and these are all districts. And from this Venn diagram we can tell that no capital is district. Because I could prove no capital is district, saying some capitals are districts is wrong. Moving on to next conclusion. Not all countries are capitals. Not all is a negative conclusion. And from the statements we can say that statements does not contain any negative statement. So conclusion cannot be negative. This is wrong. And no district is a capital. This is also negative conclusion because statements does not contain any negative statement. Conclusion cannot be negative. And next conclusion is at least some districts are states. At least some is also same as some. Some districts are states. As we already know that if all districts are states, saying some districts are states is true. For that we don't need Venn diagram. Here is another question. It has 3 statements and 4 conclusions. Let's draw the Venn diagram first. I will start with the statement all. All flowers are plants. Flower circle should be inside and plant circle should be outside. Some plants are tall. So some plants are tall. All flowers are beautiful. We are done with the Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is all flowers that are plants are beautiful. These are all flowers, and anyhow these are all these are all plants also. And the conclusion says the flowers that are plants are beautiful. So definitely this is true because as per the statement all flowers are beautiful. So we can never move this flower circle outside of this circle beautiful. So first conclusion is correct. Next conclusion is some plants are flowers. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion we need to prove that no plant is flower. Plant's circle is this one. Flower circle is this one. To prove no plant is flower, we need to separate plant circle and flower circle, which is not possible because as per the statement all flowers are plants. Flower circle should always be inside plant circle. That's the because I am not able to prove no plant is a flower, saying some plants are flowers is a true. Next conclusion is some tall are plants. Here statement says some plants are tall. We already know that if the statement is like this, some plants are tall, saying some tall are plants is also correct. Some conclusions we can prove without even seeing Venn diagram. Next conclusion is some plants are both beautiful and flowers. You can see these are all plants and some of the plants are flowers and also they are beautiful. So the conclusion is true. Here is another question. It has 3 statements and 2 conclusions. First statement is only a few cars are buses. As I already discussed, whenever we see only a few, it means some cars are buses and some cars are not buses. Let's draw the Venn diagram. This is car and this is bus. Some cars are buses as well as some cars are not buses. Only a few means it is both. Some cars are not buses. And only a few buses are trains. Some buses are trains as well as some buses are not trains. Next statement is only a few trains are flights. Some trains are flights. Some trains are not flights. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is some flights or cars is a possibility. So you can see here the word possibility. Whenever we see possibility word in the conclusion, we should try to follow that conclusion. To follow this conclusion, some flights are cars. Car circle is this and flight circle is this. We need to make those two circles intersect. Let's do that. And we need to make flight and car circle intersect. This is flight. Let's see whether it is following statements or not. Only a few cars are buses. Yes, few cars are buses and few cars are not buses. Next, only a few buses are trains. Yes, some buses are trains and some buses are not trains. And only a few trains are flights. Yes, some trains are flights and some trains are not flights. We are following statements. By following statements, we could prove that this is possible. So, this conclusion is true. Next conclusion. All flights are buses. This is a definite conclusion. We should try to disprove this conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove some flights are not buses. If we can prove that, then we cannot say all flights are buses. To say some flights are not buses, if we see the original Venn diagram, here you can see these are all flights and these are all buses. And these flights are not buses as per this Venn diagram. So, because I could prove some flights are not buses, we cannot say that all flights are buses. This is wrong.